evening po, I'm Lian. Thank you sa pag-spend ng time ninyo dito sa Brutal. Thank you Sir Wadot sa invitation. So, for my first song, I think this is the greatest hit ni Jason Mraz. It's kind of a testament to faith and to the great unknown. It's about giving yourself into life and love's possibilities for fate to handle. Sana magustuhan niyo. Dum in your bed, I felt it. I tried to picture it, but just so haunted I meant it. I found out through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool down run out, I'll be giving it my best. Is that nothing's gonna stop me? Divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate. No, it cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and time you are free. But look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God and tender right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate. No, it cannot wait. I'm so damn sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Do you want to come over? Good job over closer, dear, so I can nibble your ear. I've been spending way too long checking my time in the mirror, and then I know the back is just to try to see it clear. But my breath won't open the glass, so I drew your face and laugh. I guess what I'll be saying is there ain't no better reason to read yourself about it easy, just the way the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is some virtue, but I won't hesitate. No, it cannot wait. I'm yours, and open up your mind. See like me, open up your plans and tell you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find that the sky's yours. So be strong. There's no need to complicate. 'Cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. I am yours. Always yours. were three little birds perched by my doorstep. They were singing some sweet songs. Yes, the melody's pure and true. They were saying, this is my message to you. And everybody they were singing, don't worry about a thing. Singing every little thing, it's gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing. Singing every little thing, it's gonna be alright. 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 'Cause I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm so damn sure there's no need to complicate this all the time. Simply sure this is